In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix video stuttering and lagging issues on your Windows 11. So let's get started. Click on the Start button, click on the Settings icon. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, click on System. Scroll down and click on Troubleshoot. Here you'll find other troubleshooters. And here you need to look for the video playback, okay? You'll find video playback and the run button corresponding to it. So click the run button that corresponds to video playback. Now what that will do is that will help you detect and spot the issue or problem that you are facing on your Windows. And aside from that, that will also give you suggestions and recommendations on how to fix the issue. So simply follow what it will suggest and the recommendations on how to fix the issue. It will also automatically fix the issue for you. So simply run the troubleshooter. If this video is valuable, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. This will help us to produce more videos for you. Next method is on the left pane again, click on apps. Then here, you'll find video playback. Click on that. And then here you'll find this option, process video automatically to enhance it. Okay, make sure to enable it. Okay, make sure to enable it. The next method to close this, go ahead in the Windows search bar and type graphics settings. Okay, click on it under the best match. Then here you have to look for the application that you are having an error with. Okay, let's say for example this one. So click on that, click on this drop down arrow and simply choose high performance. Okay, high performance. And then that's it. Then close this. Next method is we also need to make sure that our graphics card driver is updated. So right click at the start button, select device manager. Here locate display adapter. So this is where you can find your graphics card driver. Make a right click, select update driver. Search automatically for drivers. Now the best drivers for your device are already installed. Close this and then close this. And then right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows once, and that's it. Again, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.